artificial intelligence, it is not about man or machines, it is about man and machines together.
ನಾವು ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಏನನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇಕು. ಭೂಮಿ ಇರೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಅದೇ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ.
We can reduce the pollution on the planet just by educating and spreading the information and awareness. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together, inviting our next guest, whose name is Preeti. Okay, Preeti, as our chief guest today, going to speak about the future of jobs and artificial intelligence.
Good evening everyone, I am Preeti. Today I am going to talk about the future of jobs and artificial intelligence. In simple words, artificial intelligence helps machines to understand, plan and solve problems to their own. Artificial intelligence is already becoming a part of our daily life. It is when we use Google Maps, YouTube suggestions and online shopping recommendations and voice assistant like Alexa and Siri. These all are example of artificial intelligence. In the past, people used to believe that only human could think and learn, but in today's world, machines can do all many things using data and experience. The world is changing very fast using technologies and artificial intelligence. In every field, AI is bringing a new big change. For example, in hospitals, AI helps doctors to find disease and give a right treatment. In schools, AI helps teachers and students to make a smart learning, and in banks, AI helps to detect frauds and keeps money safe. Let me tell you one thing, that is the future of jobs. The future of jobs will be very different from today. Many people worry that artificial intelligence will take a jobs. Yes, it is true that some jobs are simple and repetitive, disappear. Machines can do factory work, robot can pack products neatly, and chatbox can answers customers questions, like that. AI creates many responsibilities to in coming years. There are app developer, digital markets and cyber security experts, online teachers and content creators. These responsibilities will help humans to work smarter. To be ready for this future, we must learn new skills. AI should not depends only on machines. We should learn work with them. Like AI, artificial intelligence, they cannot have any feelings. Artificial intelligence can do many tasks faster than humans, but it cannot replace human beings completely. Artificial intelligence does not have any emotions, kindness or any moral values. Artificial intelligence, it is don't doesn't understand any feelings. Thank you.
Wow. I'm amazed by the presentation that the Preeti has given today. And earlier Preeti was saying that, sir, I cannot perform well. And today Preeti has proved her ability that I can do better than everybody. And she has done very well. She has presented the topic. Even I cannot present myself the way Preeti has presented herself now. Please put your hands together for thanking Preeti for the wonderful presentation. And now it's the question round. I would like you to ask the question to the chief guest. Now Arun is going to ask question from the Arun Media.
Thank you, ma'am. You have said about AI, how AI would be helpful to the youth.
In today's generation, we use many opportunities using artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence help to youth generation, like online teaching, online classes, like that.
Now next question from Fakiresh.
How does help in AI in ordinary people?
The normal people, they cannot use phones, like screen touch, like that, smartphones. But in today's generation, social media makes digital market makes many useful things, like Alexa, Siri. When we speak, they get many information.
Thank you so much, Fakiresh. Next question from Suma from News Media.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving a more information about AI. My question is, how AI will be helpful in harmful in the future?
Of course, it is help. We must learn. We must work with them, because half artificial intelligence is also important. Then half human is also important, because artificial intelligence, it doesn't have any feelings. But humans have feelings, creativity, mind. Then when we use both, like humans and artificial intelligence, then will be the best. Artificial intelligence, it is not about man or machines, it is about man and machines together.
Wow. So next question from Praveen from Fan Media.
Hello ma'am, my question is, how is business changing? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
The business is nowadays, it becomes all is they using online shoppings, like Flipkart, Amazon, like this. It is useful to, because it is useful, but in businessmen's, that is harmful to.
Thank you so much to our chief guest Preeti, and thank you so much to all the students who played the role of journalists. This time we have very wonderful chief guest whom I am going to invite. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together, inviting Lakshmi Madam. Please come on the stage. And our guest Lakshmi Madam is going to speak on the topic Green India and Clean India, the youth's responsibility.
Good evening, everyone. So I will share with you environmental and cleanness. Cleanness is love. Greenery is life. In compulsory, in historically, in establish some wars, or it's a green city purpose. Now you heard about in main countries, main city, big city of Delhi. It's a Delhi, some people lost some greenness. You know, you near, or you when you visited the garden, when you visited the out of places, and the it's a clean, and so many trees are there, at a time your feel is good. But nowadays it's not possible, because it's a general population will be increased. Already UN world established in some scientists are told about the environmental. And in two countries are selected, one India and then another one is China. Already told about in increase the automatically generation, but Earth is one only, not increase in other one Earth. So first think about the green. It's a green is important to everyone. In now media also AI. In some my friend also told in AI media, but in established only AI media importance to life, but the not in increase in food. Only purchasing online to food only, not growing. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಏನನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇಕು. ಭೂಮಿ ಇರೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಅದೇ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನೇ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಹಾರ ಬೇಕು ಹೊರತು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಜೀವಿಸಕ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆದ್ಯವಾದಂತ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಇನ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್, one person come in one school, conduct the class. At the time, ask the questions. Ask the question for students. You know book in science book, you know maths book, you know all about books are there. Sometimes he's asking a question for BO in students. BO asking the questions, what is the color of leaf? Asking the question, all students it's answer only black. At that time, BO confused. So many, it's call to the teacher. Some students ask the answer the question only black. What is the reason for? Or sir also confused. At a time, one students come the stage. What do you share with us? It's a black, not it's a green. No sir, take a textbook. You see only it's leaves or black only na. I know black only. So at the time, analyze the BO. One students in mind thinking, sir, and told automatically it's the green or compulsory eyes show the green. So that time to this time only in books, science books, some books are there in green, leaf or green, and so that children also catch the some things, some environmental. So it's green is important to us. And in some cleanest countries, attract the tourism, and some places are beautiful and green city, and some films also there in green city and flower city. At the time, increase in the GDP and economically development for our countries. So, thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing the lot of information, and here's the time for the question round. Now the question from Arun from Karnataka Media.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this wonderful message to everyone. And how should we decrease pollution from the atmosphere? What would be your suggestion for that?
It's a good question. It's a arising all people mind, because one can only one can live in not in earth. So many birds, so many animals, so many some plantations are there. Only man thinking in only life in the me only. It means they only thinking they only live in on the planet. So first you think it's all birth in planet. You some throw the plastic. It's some animals are dead. It's the first thinking. When you use in some plastics and other things, you put the some places already, you know, 2 bags or 2 in wastage purpose in government give the 2 bags are there. So the use and throw the one places are automatically is environmental good for us and good for health.
I would like to give a small answer to the question. We can reduce the pollution on the planet just by educating and spreading the information and awareness. Thank you so much, Arun, for asking the question. Next question from Preeti.
What is your main message behind Green India and Clean India?
In save of the motherland and save of the us and future generation also save for the environmental only, not the amount, not the media. It means only strong the environmental only. You know, some things are purchasing, but not purchasing in air. It's called only purely for air and gifted for God. So it's a help to us.
Thank you.
Next question from Suma from Inspire Daily News.
My question is, what are the ways to protect our environment?
First, you think about in positive. Don't throw the things. Don't throw the plastic. It's you have you can live na, at the type of in animals, birds also live. In so scientists are thinks about in environmental how to some collect in wastage. In collecting wastage also some countries are there wastage collected then recycling in another one product. So it can use to some people and it can use to some jobs are there. It's called environmental uses and then environmental helpful us.
Okay, no question from the journalists now and the news reporters. Thank you so much to all for participating in this mock press conference event today. Thank you so much. Special thanks to our chief guest Lakshmi Madam, who presented the topic beautifully and shared us lot of information. Thank you so much to all the students. Thank you.